Danke bafethu. Breaking news, first starting lineup eKaizer Chiefs versus AS Simba. Laphana ku-goalkeeper kuqala uPeterson and then uCross ukhona laphana. uCross uzodlala noMcCarthy noQuinica noSolomons. Konje kunenkinga kalokhu njana kamfowethu bafethu laphana uNasho Mikel akekho namhlanje. uNgcobo uqala noMduduzi Shabalala. uVilakazi exciting ukumbona umfana ku-starting lineup. uLilepo uqala noIgadaro. Abantu abaningi bebakhuluma ngoIgadaro bavele bafethu bathi akaqale because upowerful, uimportant, angakwazi ngempela ukubashayela amagoli laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Ilanga lakhe elikhulu kuIgadaro ukuthi aziprove kumaKaizer Chiefs faithfully ukuthi angakwazi ukudeliver because abantu engikhulume nabo abaningi bafethu bakhala ngoIgadaro. uLilepo ngishilo ukuthi uLilepo as much as aneyinkinga zakhe but angakwazi ukusiza i-team overall ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola ama-results laphana bafethu. So I'm not sure about i-back four yabo ukuthi bazodlala kanjani, but I think uCross ubani uzoba i-left back between uCross nolokhu njana noMcCarthy. Sobona ukuthi bazoshape kanjani because both bayakwazi ukudlala laphana ku back four noma ngithi ku-central yes, maybe uzoba nePen noQuinica lapho and then sobona ukuthi bazoshape kanjani lapha emuva. But yeah, a powerful starting 11. Umthetho sombheka laphana. Umthetho into azoyenza ukuthi uzokhila off vele amabhola laphana aclose ama-attacks ukuthi Simba as much as ba-aggressive but bangakwazi ukcreate ama-opportunities amaningi. I like ukuthi baqale ngabantu aba-attack minded abawu-5 laphana, meaning that they mean business namhlanje. Bayazi ukuthi kumele ba-attack kakhulu, ba-create ama-opportunities amaningi overall laphana. Duduzi Shabalala ispark sakhe ne-creativity noVilakazi bazokwazi ukucombine kahle. uLilepo sithemba ukuthi bafethu naye uzokwazi ukubonisa i-bit of versatility and then angabi too stagnant ukuthi futhi ucabanga into eyodwa njalo ukuthi bamvulele opportunity ashaye. But if kungenzeka ashaye brilliant goal ngicabanga ukuthi banga-appreciate la kakhulu lapho kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu because angaba i-player eli-important kakhulu kule game lena overall. uVilakazi wa-createile ama-opportunities futhi the biggest opportunity laphana uyi-createle ubani uDupreez laphana eCongo but excel namhlanje. I think namhlanje bafethu ilanga elikhulu kakhulu ukuthi umfana akwazi ukudeliver into eserious. So into mangithi into eserious I mean ukuthi adeliver ngempela lese lo assist leyo or possibly abashayela igoli. But ulona uVilakazi bafethu siyamazi ukuthi uyi-create isikhathi esiningi, i-good pass off the ball and unokuphasa kuma-spaces la esingaboni thina khona ukuthi kune-opportunity but is able to pass laphana. And then ebenchini bafethu I'm excited to see uVelebayi uDupreez ukhona, uModi, uSirino, uMaboy noCele noMatlou noFrosler noVuma laphana. Kusho ukuthi i-goalkeeper number 2 or second choice eKaizer Chiefs laphana bafethu uVuma. Yeah, sobona ukuthi obani abazongena possibly lese second half if they are chasing the game. uVelebayi kungaba i-first game yakhe namhlanje asazi but abantu abaningi bathe bafuna ukumbona. uMaboy asazi but uGustin Sirino ngiyazi ukuthi if they need something special bangamlanda laphana bambize uGustin Sirino akwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Danko bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, simake sure ukuthi le page ifika ku 15,000 subscribers.